Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to manage Azure resources by using the Azure portal. Well, I hope you are enjoying this series AZ104, Microsoft Azure Administrator. I'm trying to make videos on the newly topics that are coming onto this video series every day. You visualize, I read about the AZ104 newly added topics, and then I create videos. You might see that there are some basic video concepts that I am making a video on, but that is the requirement of this course. People who are new to Azure, new to cloud computing, will have to go from the beginner level, then to the intermediate, and then to the advanced, and then to the specialization in whatever field or in whatever technology of Azure they want to specialize in. So stay tuned, watch all the videos, and if you have any doubts, mention them in the comment section. So I'm going to quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal, and we have to explore the basic Azure administration capabilities associated with provisioning resources and organizing them based on the resource group, including moving resources between resource group. And you have to explore some basic examples before you move ahead with the advanced things. So we have to go for the resource group. On the home screen you would see resource group, or you can click on here and then you can click on resource groups, and if you're not sure, just type in resource groups here and you'll see it. So whatever option you click on, you'll be routed to this screen, what you see now. These are the by default created resource group, but this one and this one I created while doing one of my labs. And these are the by default created resource group. You can create your resources in these resource groups, or you can create new one. So how do you create a new one? Click on add. You will get a screen which says create a resource group. Just name it. You can name it AZ104 lab. And then you can select the location in whatever location you want to place this. Let's say I go with East US. And then you can click on tags. If you do not want tags, that is absolutely okay. Just click on review and create, and click on create. So when I'm going to go to the resource group here, click on it. So AZ104 lab, this is the resource group that I created. And now let's say you want to enable disk under this resource group. And if you're not sure how you do that, so just type in disk here. You get an option which says disk and disk classic storage accounts. I'm going to select the disk here. You click on add, create a managed disk. So here's your subscription. I only have one subscription. That is why I'm only getting this option in the drop down. Here's a resource group. You can create a new one here as well, but I'm going to use my resource group that I created. This is here, AZ104. Type in the disk name. You can type in AZ104 dash. You can type in any name. Okay, you can select the location East US. I do not want to place it in availability zone. I don't want to have the source, and you can change the size here as well. You can change the disk type as well. I'm going to go with standard HDD. I'm going to go with 32 gigs of the size. Click on OK here. Click on encryption. You go with the default, click on advanced. You go with the default, click on networking, go with the default, and just click on review and create. Validation passed, and this is how you create a disk. So I'm just explaining you how you explore the portal, how you manage resources using the Azure portal when you are beginning the Azure journey. So deployment is in progress. We'll wait. It gives you the deployment name, that it is a Microsoft.managed disk, then the random ID, the deployment good. It gives you the correlation ID, which helps Microsoft engineers to gather logs. It gives you the date. Resource group, you can download the details from here, and then you can click on go to resource. You will be taken to the resource that you have created. Now let's say you want to move resources between the resource groups. So we'll cover that in the next video. Let's keep it very short and sweet so that it is useful for you to understand. And I'll see you guys in the next video wherein we'll move the resources between the resource groups. I hope you enjoyed this. And as I said before, please let me know your queries in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.